This demo today is going to be of a spoken reminder for seniors to get up and exercise. What I've got here is a Samsung Galaxy S10 phone. It's running the One UI update with Bixby routines. Bixby routines are like if this then that, but running inside the phone rather than on the cloud. And what I do here is I use a reminder which can put up text and make a sound, but I wanted to get it spoken. So using the feature that that reminders can set a notification.
Hi Grandpa, it's time for a stretch break. Please get up. I'll start the senior workout exercise in 1 minute today, 11:40 a.m.
So that was just a heads up, Grandpa, that we're going to start to exercise in 1 minute. And that was done by the feature of Bixby routines being able to speak a notification. That was a notification that was set in a reminder. Now the second part of this is at this point the senior could get up, place the phone in a proper place so they can see the exercise better. The exercise is a multimodal one. It's a senior workout. It's in the Bixby Marketplace, and it provides both audible and visual and textual spoken instructions on what to do. But rather than have them say it, I launch it.
While sitting in your chair, hold a ball in both hands with your palms facing each other. Extend your arms forward so the ball rests on your legs, with your elbows slightly bent. Slowly raise your arms to lift the ball above your head, then lower back down, taking about 3 seconds to raise and lower.
Okay, so you can see what that does. So basically that's run through another Bixby routine, which can run a quick command, a Bixby quick command, which launches the capsule. So that's it. It's kind of involved. It'd be nice if Bixby routines could directly speak, but this is the state of the art today.